In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share or send a Microsoft form, survey, or quiz link. Let's get started. First, we'll need to head over to the free Microsoft 365 online. It's a versatile platform where you can access a variety of Microsoft Office tools, including Microsoft Forms, without needing any downloads. So, open up your preferred browser and navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online site. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Go ahead and input your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and quite straightforward. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main page where you can find all the available Office applications. Look for Microsoft Forms among these options and click on it. This is where we'll create or access your existing forms, surveys, or quizzes for sharing. Now, you should see the Microsoft Forms dashboard, which displays all forms you've previously created. Next, select the form you wish to share. This might be a new form you're working on or an existing form you want to distribute. Click on the title or image of the form to open and view it. If you're designing a new form, ensure all sections are complete and ready for participants. With your form open, locate the Present button. It's typically at the top right side of the screen. Clicking this allows you to prepare the form for distribution. Present mode also gives you the chance to preview how your form will appear to others. Ensuring everything looks good on this end helps minimize confusion when your audience starts filling out the form. Now, it's time to generate the link that you'll send out. Look for and click on the Copy Link button. This will create a shareable URL of your form. The link is essential as it enables respondents to access your form from anywhere, whether it's for a survey, quiz, or general information gathering. Once you've copied the link, decide how you want to distribute it. You can send it via email, share it on social media, or even embed it in a website if needed. This flexibility helps you reach your desired audience effectively, no matter which platform they prefer. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created and prepared a Microsoft form to share with others. Whether for personal projects or professional use, knowing how to distribute your forms and surveys efficiently is a great skill to have. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.